CT Outdoor Show. Woohoo! Nice bass. A little pound-and-a-halfer. That was pretty cool. That was pretty cool. Did you see that? Right as the camera. I hope I got that jumping. Come on, jump, dude. Jump. Come on. Come on. Come on. Don't get off. Don't get off. Nice. Oh, I want to get away from that. God, I am out of balance. Or out of touch. Nice. Nice little bass here. Little pounder. Little dink. Healthy looking now. Oh, I thought it was a smallmouth at first. Nice. There we go. That's what it's all about right there. Having fun, catching a couple little fish. Gotta be careful. Those are Gamakatsu hooks. That will stick in you. Here we go. How's that for a nice little fish? Nice little bass here. Cool. Thanks, dude. Let him go. Here we go. Thanks, buddy. That was fun. Well, I can't say can't really say much, because first time I've been out in 3 years. I should just cut it, retie. Haven't been out in the yak in 3 years, and I got 3 fish, 3 bass, all about pound and a half. 2 got off right at the boat though, but I got him in. So you know what? I can't complain. I didn't think I'd get anything. Anyway, I am going to retie this grub. I'm going to go catch me some more bass. Thanks for tuning in. Trapper Don, CT Outdoor Show. Bye now.